Hello and welcome. In this video we are going to learn text in AutoCAD. Generally there are two types of text that you can place in AutoCAD. One is individual line of text known as single text, and another is multiple line of text. To place text entities through toolbar, you have to go to Annotate tab, and here you can observe that in the beginning single line text and multiple line text, two tool bottom were provided. Okay, anyway, I'm going to use commands only to place a single line text. We have command called dt, otherwise you can type text and press enter. This is normal text, and even the shortcut for normal text for a single line is dt. Type dt on your keyboard and press enter. Now if you observe at command prompt, the prompt is asking you to specify the start point of text before providing the start point of text. If you observe at command response area that's above command prompt, it is saying current text style is standard and the current text height is 2.5 unit. Then is it annotative? No. Then justify that is left, which means all the text which you want to place will be aligned or left justified. And if you want to change the justification, you can select from here at command prompt. We will come to these two options later. First of all, try to place normal text. Now let's just respond to the current command. It is asking to specify start point of text. Click here to start text. Now AutoCAD prompts you to specify height, and 2.5 unit is provided as default value. That is, whatever value we used earlier will be shown here as default value. You can press enter to accept this value, or you can change the height, and I will just press enter. Now again it is asking to specify the rotation angle. Now rotation angle can be 0, 45, 90, whatever the angle required to place the text you can type in. But in this case I will leave as it is, so press enter to continue. Now we have to enter text. Just type some text. Once you finish typing, press enter. Notice that first press will bring to a new line and second press will terminate the command. This is how we place text entities. So the required input to place the text entities is start point of the text, height of the text, and rotation angle of the text. Let's try to place text with different justification. Now the text we have just placed is on the left alignment. You can observe that the insertion points over here. Now we will try to place text using the right side of justification. So the command will be same. I will type dt at command prompt and press enter. Now change the justification. First of all, we have to activate justify option. You can click on justify, or you can type J at command prompt and press enter. Now we have so many options, and along we have abbreviations. There are top right, top center, top left, middle right, middle center, middle left, bottom right, bottom center, and bottom left. Let me cancel this command and explain this briefly. If I create this geometry and with all boxes inside, there are 9 in total. So the first one is top left, top center, top right. Next is middle left, middle center, middle right. Similarly, last line is bottom left, bottom center, bottom right. So these are 9 justifications which are given on the command prompt. Okay, let's try to use right justification. Right means bottom right. So type dt on your keyboard and press enter. Take justify option. I'm taking right justification at command prompt. Now it is asking to specify right end point of text. Just click here on the right side because you want your text to go to the left. text height leave as it is, and rotation angle of the text is 0. Now let's type something using your keyboard. So as you can see, the text is floating to the left, and press enter and enter again to end the command. If you check this text, you can observe that along with left justification, you are also getting right justification. The first entities are left justified and the second entities are right justified. Let's try middle justification again. I'm typing DT at command prompt and press enter and go to justify and take middle justification and specify middle point for the height and rotation angle of the text leave as they are. Start typing some text. As you can see, the text is starting in the middle and spreading right and left. When you click the text, it shows middle justification along with the left one, which means the center will be aligned throughout the lines of text. This is how we place single lines of text. Let me conclude this with an example to illustrate some of its application. This is a circle and I want to place a text exactly center point. Type DT and press enter. Take left justification, for example. Height is 2.5 unit and rotation is 0. Let me enter 100 unit value. Enter and enter again. As you can see, it is not at the center even though we placed at the center point. Let's try different justification. Type DT, press enter, take middle center justification, specify middle point here in the center. Height and rotation, leave them as they are. Type 100 unit and press enter. So as you can observe, 100 unit is placed at exactly the center point of the circle. Try to do some practice trial with the rest justifications. The procedures are same. So this is all about introduction of text in AutoCAD.